with this, when you first put it in, you have the ability to align the binder where you need it to be. So that may take a little bit of practice as you're installing, removing, installing different binder heads for different applications, but it makes it really easy to move it on that slot. You want to make sure it's clear of the feet. You don't want any of these parts running into one another. Make sure that pin is pushed into the feed dog hole. In this case, we're switching from that thinner bag material to the thicker piece of material. So we're going to adjust the walk height, be a little bit higher to match the thicker material. Pretty good piece. Okay, hold that under the light so you can see the curve.